Hey guys, today Sarah is going to be reading a great Dr. Seuss book. It's really funny, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay guys, today we are reading Fox and Socks. This is a good book. I've never read it. Take it slowly. This book is dangerous. Just a little warning. Fox, socks, fox, knocks. Oh yeah. Knocks in a box, fox in socks. Knocks on fox, in socks in a box. Okay. Socks on knocks, and knocks in a box. Fox in socks, and box on an ox. I can't even read this book. It's complicated. Chicks with bricks come. Chicks with blocks come. Chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. So sad I can't even read this. Look, sir, Mr. Knock, sir. Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. I picked a complicated book. First, I'll make a quick trick stack. Then I'll make a quick trick block stack. I'm going to turn it like this. You can make a quick trick stack. And you can make a quick trick clock stack. And here is a new trick. Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks and bricks on blocks. Bricks in blocks and knocks on box. That's the picture. Now we come to ticks and tocks, sir. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, sir. Clocks on fox trick. Clocks on knocks talk. Six bricks tick. Six chicks stock. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. Don't worry. Please, sir, I don't. I like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quick or slick, sir. I get all those ticks and clocks, sir, mixed up with the chicks and talks, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I'm so sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. Oh, yeah. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, two socks, who socks, who socks. Okay, I actually did good on that. Who sews, who socks? Sue sews, who socks? Who else? Who sees, who sews, whose new socks, sir? You see Sue, sir, Sue's new socks. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews crow's clothes? Sue sews crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. I like this book. Sue sews socks of fox in socks now. Slow Joe Crows sew knocks in box now. Sue sews rows on Slow Joe's crow's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe's crow's nose. Oh, I got it. Hose goes, rose goes, nose, hose goes, sews some. Crows, rose grows some. Mr. Fox, I hate this game, sir. This game makes my tongue quite lame, sir. Mr. Knocks, sir. What a shame, sir. Whew. Okay. We'll find something new to do. Here's lots of new blue goo now. New goo? Blue goo? Gooey gooey? Blue goo, new goo? Gluey gluey. Oh my god. Gluey goo for chewing. That's what goo goose is doing. Oh, I like that. Do you choose to chew? To, sir? If sir, you sir. Choose to chew, sir, with the goo goose chew do, sir. Wow. Mr. Fox, sir, I won't do it. I can't say it. I won't chew it. Very well, sir. Step this way. We'll find another game to play. Oh, no. Ben's, bims, broom. Ben's, brims, boom. Ben's, brooms. Ben's, brooms breaks. Ben's, broom breaks. Whoa. Ben's van, Bim's van, Big's van, Pig's van. My lips like tingling. Bims and Ben leads them with brooms, Ben, Van, Bens, and Bims, Bams, Booms. Oh yeah. Pig Band, Boom Band, Big Bam, Boom Bam. My poor mouth can't say that, no sir. My poor mouth is much too slow, sir. Well then I'll bring your mouth this way. I'll find something it can say. Luke likes lakes. Luke's duck likes lakes. Luke licks lakes. Luke's duck licks lakes. This is a hard book to read. I can't even read it. Ducks takes licks. In lakes. Luke's Lux likes. Luke Lux takes licks. In lakes ducks likes. Wow. I can't blab much blibber blubber. My tongue isn't made of rubber. Mr. Knox now. Come now. You don't have to be so dumb now. It's true. Try not to say Mr. Knox, please. Through 3 cheese trees, 3 flea flew. While these fleas flew, freeze breeze blew, freeze breeze made these 3 trees freeze. Freezy trees made these trees cheese freeze. That's what made these tree freeze fleas sneeze. Wow. Oh yeah. Stop it, that's enough. I can't say much silly stuff. Very well then, Mr. Knoxer. Let's have a little talk about Tweedle Beetles. Yes. What do you know about Tweedle Beetles? Well, when Tweedle Beetles fight, it's called a Tweedle Beetle battle. And when they battle in a puddle, it's a Tweedle Beetle puddle battle. And when Tweedle Beetles battle with paddles in a puddle, they call it Tweedle Beetle puddles battle and suspense. And when beetles biddles in a puddle battles, and the beetle battle puddles is in a puddle in a puddle, they call it Tweedle Beetle puddle paddle battle muddle. And I hate this part. When beetles fight these battles in a puddle with their paddles, and the bottles on a poodle, and the poodles eating noodles, and they call this a muddle puddle, Tweedle poodle beetle noodle, bottle paddle bottle, A-N-D. And now wait a minute, Mr. Fox. When a fox is the bottle where the Tweedle Beetles battle with their paddles in a puddle, a noodle eating poodle. This is what they call a Tweedle Beetle noodle bottle paddled, muddled, duddled, fuddled, waddled, fox in socks, sir. Fox in socks. Our game is done, sir. Thank you. I'm done.
Thank you so much for reading, Sarah. If you liked how funny she was, like and subscribe down below. Also, if you didn't know already, Sarah has a YouTube channel too. And I'm going to link it down there in the comments. So make sure to
subscribe and like and follow and watch all the videos. Peace out, period, queen.